delete Facebook Lite account permanently. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to delete Facebook Lite account permanently. To get started, open the Facebook Lite application first. Locate the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on them. This will take you to the menu section. Scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. And within this page, you will find the option for personal information. Click on it. Here again, click on Access and Control option. Then select Deactivation and Deletion. In this page, you can choose to deactivate or permanently delete your account. Opt for the latter and continue to the account deletion process. You need to choose one of the reasons here, then click on Continue. Scroll down and click Delete Account. After selecting Delete Account, you will need to enter your Facebook password for security purpose. Once entered, click on Continue and click on Delete Account for the last time, and your account will be scheduled for deletion, which takes approximately 30 days. It's crucial to note that any attempt to restore or retrieve your account must be done within this 30-day period. After 30 days, recovery won't be possible. Ensure you make any necessary decisions or backup during this time frame. So this is how you can permanently delete your Facebook Lite account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.